Okay, I'm here by the gate waiting for the digger to arrive. We're starting work today. The biggest swale up higher up on the farm, which when I measured it out 2 weeks ago, it was about 109 meters thereabouts. And we're just waiting after several hiccups. I'm just waiting now for the digger to arrive. So I'm really excited. This is going to be awesome. And there it comes. So this is the JCB that we're going to be using for the swales today. Henk, the driver and owner, has just quickly dropped it here, and this is what we're going to be using. This is as deep as what that thing is going to be, the swell, and that's the depth. In time we will want to try and expand it. We want to have a monster swell up there 5 meters wide and about a meter deep if we're lucky. And but this is the baby, so let's see what's going to happen in the next couple of steps. I spent most of the morning up there cutting trees out of the way and trying to drag some of the branches out, but it just became too much after a while. So fortunately these things are insanely powerful. And this is the mark where the line is going to go, where the swell is going to go. So the operators asked if it will be okay if he can turn this thing around and work backwards, which I'm very happy with, because obviously he's the expert. So this is the beginning of the big swell, and as you can see, when this thing starts digging into the ground is extremely rocky, which is why we are using some heavy equipment here and not doing it by hand. Now that was in a Port Jackson tree there, which is invasive, highly invasive species here in the Western Cape. So I don't have any qualms about taking that one out. Now in the process of digging out this soil and putting it here on the right hand side, on this side over here, it's going to lie, a lot of it's going to lie on top of these rhino bushes, which will basically create an instant little flat hugel culture bed as well. Typically you don't want a hugel swell, but in these circumstances it'll be fine. Our rainfall doesn't warrant any concerns about it. It's not so much rain that we have, and the ground is fairly flat, as you can see. So yesterday the JCB was here, and we worked until 8 o'clock last night, and we'll carry on later today. But this is the swell up to now. This is about this is about what, 70 centimeters wide, and at this point it's 70 meters in length, and also about 70 centimeters deep, I'm guessing. And if my calculations are correct, just this one single swell will infiltrate about 35 tons of water into the landscape. Now there's still quite a lot of work that has to be done, like this little ridge that you see on the side here. This has to be removed still, and parts like that needs to be taken out. But this is pretty awesome. For 2 hours of work, we couldn't do this in a year. Not with this rocky ground. And no matter how motivated the guys are that I hired to help me. Thank you, JCB. Thank you, Henk. This is brilliant. Right, this is Monday morning. We've had a bit of rain over the weekend, but this is what the swell looks like right now. And we'll be finishing in the next hour or so. It's already captured a bit of water here, which is fantastic. Very happy to see that. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, remember to like and subscribe. Bye.